Hello and welcome to this course on Cloudera Hadoop administration. My name is CDH and we are learning Cloudera Hadoop installation. So this video we can go ahead and install Cloudera manager packages and configure its backend and start the services. So first step I'm going to do here is just checking what are the packages we need to install. So let me do that. Yum list all and then grep with Cloudera. It will list all the packages that is available. So the one is Oracle JDK, yes, that we need to install, and then Cloudera Manager agent. So this has to be installed across all the hosts, and daemon also need to be installed on all the hosts, server on one host. But this one DB we are not going to install. So let me install. See this Oracle JDK. So this is 1.7 and Cloudera Manager agent, then Cloudera Manager daemon, then last Cloudera Manager server. So these four packages I am going to install on my master machine. So I'm taking this master one as my Cloudera Manager server. So that is done, and the next step we want to do is just remove this file. Okay, so the file is not created. Then let's check this file is here or not. Yes, that file is there. So what we have to do is, so we have to execute this command to set up this database. So that means so this is a SCM prepare database as such as script, and the database which I am going to use here is MySQL, and the host name is it's not master, so it's master1, and my database is on master1, and temp is the username, this is the password. SCM host is the host where I am going to install my Cloudera Manager service. And SCM, this is the user and its credential and database that the script is going to set up. Just enter. Yeah, so you can see, so this is successfully completed. And once you log into this MySQL, okay, so let me start this Cloudera Manager services also. Systemctl start Cloudera -scm server. And check the status whether the Cloudera Manager server is up and running. So now we can log into this MySQL database, and if you just use list show databases, you can see the database SCM has created. Okay, so if I just use that database and show tables, it will list a lot of tables. And so that's it. We have configured this one, and for evaluation you can use the telnet. So if telnet command is not there, you can install that. Okay, sorry, it's not telnet. So now you can just check telnet localhost 7180. So this is the port where our Cloudera Manager service is running. Okay, so take this public IP address and open this http :/ that IP address 7180. Yes, we are able to get this login page. That means our Cloudera Manager server is running. So now we will go ahead and install the agent. So on all the hosts you need to install this Oracle JDK, Cloudera Manager agent and daemon. So let's do that. Yum list all and Cloudera. Then install. So this Cloudera first we need to have this JDK installed, then agent, then daemons. So this we have to do across all the worker host. Then go to the worker one, and whatever the host, every host has to install this package. So basically Oracle JDK, then Cloudera Manager agent and daemon services. So next is we have to go and configure this agent file. So go to each and every host, etc Cloudera SCCM agent config.ini, and write the host name, okay. So this is the port 7182. You can verify like okay. So use the netstat and so this is the process 7182, and this is the process. Like you can check ps-ef and grep to see that actually this is Cloudera Manager server process. So once this is updated, agent configuration file is updated, we can just use systemctl enable Cloudera-scm-agent. So then we will start the service, then check the status. Yes, and we'll come to the second host and open etc Cloudera SCCM agent config.ini. Change the host with so this is the host where Cloudera Manager is running. So use the same thing across all the hosts. This is done. Then go to the worker 2, then replace this local host with the master 1. hadoop.com. And at last come to this host and edit here also the server host, that is the host name or IP of the server where Cloudera manager is running. Then systemctl, so you can see the Cloudera manager agent is running and server is also running, and also we are able to log into this admin console. That's it. So that's it. We have configured this Cloudera manager components. Now we will continue with the CDH installation that we will do in the next video.